Dear students, we are beginning with the module number 28 for the subject of strategic human resource management. In this module, we will talk about strategic management process and its four phases. We have talked about what is strategy. We have already talked about and hope understood these generic perspectives on a strategy. स्ट्रेटजी क्या है? स्ट्रेटजी की डिफरेंट काइंड्स या सम पर्सपेक्टिव्स ऑन अ स्ट्रेटजी वो क्या है? नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ स्ट्रेटजी इज फॉर्म्ड. स्ट्रेटजी बनती कैसे? स्ट्रेटजी बनाता कौन है? फॉर एग्जांपल, in an organization there are thousands of people who work for that organization. Who is responsible for developing the strategy? In this module, we will talk about the strategic management and its process. So, the strategic management process comprises four phases. When I say it's a four phases, in this perspective, a strategy is something which is a planned and which is developed by deliberately investing resources, time, and making a rationale for it. So the first phase is analysis, the second is selection, third is implementation, and fourth is review. When I say it's a process, actually it starts from analysis, and when we complete the process and we reach at a review stage becomes the first stage again to help to analyze the situation again. We will talk about analysis and selection in a little bit more detail. So, what we mean by analysis, and analysis of what? First, we need to understand what we mean by analysis. We have used this word on daily basis, or we speak this word on daily basis. What we mean by analysis? Analysis means you disintegrate the whole into small pieces. You disintegrate the whole information into small parts, and then you analyze each part and reach at a conclusion and make a informed decision. For example, if you look at an organization is as a whole, or organization is comprised of so many components, we cannot say anything about that organization. So we divide the organization into different parts, we analyze, and then we understand what this organization is. So analysis is disintegrating the whole into small parts, disintegrating the issues into small parts, and then reaching at a finding or a conclusion. So data is important, and data means information about something. So data from external and internal environment can be analyzed to provide information which then help us to systematically analyze what should be the strategy of this organization. So data can be coming from two sources: external sources and internal sources. External sources includes competitors, customers, market, economy, culture of your country, what people need, what people wants are. So data is coming from external sources. This data will help an organization to decide what will be or what should be their strategy. Similarly, we need a data. Without information, without data, it is hardly possible to make a useful strategy. You want to start a business, what you need first? You need information about the market. If you don't know the market, how can you decide the price of your product, the color of your product, and so on, and the other features? So internal sources includes the information about your organization, the culture of your organization, financial information about your organization, skills and abilities of your employees. The data from internal sources and external sources will help us to decide or to analyze what should be our strategy. One thing we need to remember here that is critical, that is the concept of bounded rationality. Bounded rationality क्या है? Bounded rationality, in a simple few words, suggests that it is not possible to know everything. हमारे जितने भी फैसले होते हैं, they are based on some limited information. We will never have all the information about anything. We will never have complete truth about anything. For example, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि कौन सा मोबाइल अच्छा है, have you used all the mobile phones ever made by the companies? No, definitely not. You have used a few of them. So your answer to which mobile phone is good is based on limited information. That is not a complete truth. So the second is selection. Once you have the information, then you have to make a choice. Then you have to select something. So making choices about what the strategy should be and how it should be achieved. So strategy has been defined as a framework of actions, framework of choices. Remember guys, one thing is very important to learn, that strategy is also about what to do and what not to do. By gathering all that information, you will also, or we have to learn what not to do. Many companies disappeared from this planet just because of they did what they shouldn't have done. So this is what we say, that a strategy has also been defined as a framework of choices. So from a business perspective, strategy is about winning. How will you win in this market? Thank you.